In this video, I'll show you how to make Windows look like macOS. First, open the Microsoft Store. Once it opens, search for CLN UI and click on it. Now install the app. It will only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, close the Microsoft Store and open the Start menu. Search for CLN UI and launch it. With just one click, it will transform the Windows interface into a macOS style interface. As you can see, the dock is now visible and it has the same style as macOS. I'll click and show you some features of the toolbar at the top. It retains all the tools and functions from the Windows taskbar, and you can also see the system tray icons here. Clicking the first icon on the dock will open the Start menu. Apps also open quite fast from the dock. The only thing missing is the minimizing animation, but apart from that, all the features are here. Now, let me show you the CLN UI app settings. From here, you can customize everything to your preference. You can make the dock auto-hide, overlap, change the icon size, adjust the dock position, and enable or disable features. You can even change the theme. There are tons of customization options available. This is the easiest way to experience the macOS UI on Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.